Nature is an energy field. It's not just the things we see. It's alive, dynamic, pulsing with the life force. It's an ecosystem that's real, tangible. You can feel it when you stop everything. Nature brings us back to the body, returning us to a sense of wholeness when we let it. Nature can ground us when we're not able to do it for ourselves. What's truly amazing is that since we are nature, we can experience this inside without having to go outside if we will just allow. Nature is not out there, it's in here. Hermann Hesse reminds us, within you there is a stillness and a sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time and be yourself. We're going to do that now. As we go inside, going inside begins with a direction, yet reveals a dimension, formless, timeless, where our true essence awaits us, already here. Nothing to do to get it. So let's come together and lead ourselves to that now. And just let the eyes soften. Go inside. And let the breath do what it knows how to do. What it's been doing every day of our life, day and night. Just allow the breath to bring in the life force with each inhale. And really visualize it going and reaching every particle of your being. Every cell. Let the hand come down over the belly, where all the emotions are swimming around and swirling like a bunch of eels. And then just gently bring the hand up to the heart and just let all those emotions empty into the heart like water pouring on sand. The heart is everything. It's the portal to all longing's fulfillment. It's the hub of all sacred places. Come here often and stay always. Now letting the hand come up to the forehead and just feeling all those thoughts like a beehive of thoughts. Let all those thoughts come into the hand and bring them down to the heart, where they just empty into the bottomless capacity of the heart. Rumi says that the heart is like a vast reservoir, And the human mind is like a tiny jug that cannot hold more than a day's worth of water. Just linger here together, and if there are any more emotions, just reach down, bring them up to the heart. Any more thoughts, reach up and bring them down to the heart. Using active imagination, take a walk now in the enchanted forest inside your soul. You yourself are nature. Feel this now. You are just as much a part of nature as the birds, the trees, the flowers. As you walk among the trees, feel everything. The earth underneath, the sky above. Notice everything is still, yet breathing with you. Feel the earth breathing with you. The sky, the trees, everything now breathing you effortlessly. You come to a tree and hear its silent voice say, "Here." So you sit under it with your back against the trunk, letting the tree become a part of you. Its trunk, your spine. Its roots, yours also, going deep into the earth and connecting to that vast underground network. Out of sight, yet no less real. Feel the tree branches going out in every direction as your own limbs stretching naturally and effortlessly in every direction. You lay back on the ground now, arms out to your side, legs open. Let yourself become one with the earth. The ground, your backbone. Then your entire backfield. Become one with the sky shining down. Feel your entire front of the body becoming one with the sky. Linger here and really drink all this in. Fill all your pockets with it. Feel the safety of being part of the vastness. Instead of the little human being the mind keeps insisting we are. It's all the mind knows, really. Here we're allowing a vaster intelligence to inform us, experience us, and us experience it. Very slowly, taking all the time in the world. Letting your eyes come back to the screen, yet leaving a part of yourself here. In this beautiful holy place.